Right guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to start Etsy dropshipping in 2023. So let's get into it. So to start off, I am just on Allura, right? And what I've done is on the shop analyzer tool, I'm just looking at the trending Etsy shops. Right, I've got a few pages in and I was kind of just looking at monthly sales, the size of the store, etc. And I came across this one. So they have 317 listings. They have been selling on Etsy for 3 years and up to 90,000 sales. Okay. So what this tells me is they have great infrastructure and a great product in high demand. So how do I know that they are actually Etsy dropshipping? This is how. There's basically all of their products, right? And then if we go back, you'll see they just sell the same style of product, but they just create a lot of different listings for it. And that is a strategy I do push because it works very well. So here's their listings. They have these really cool products, right? And look, so here's all of the suppliers. So you can get personalized effects. Look, so you can choose that one, this one, boom, boom, and then get the supplier to engrave the name on, right? So breaking this down, you can tell that, okay, so people are buying this stuff for birth gifts, for babies, christening, for children's rooms, birthday gifts, bedside lamps for kids. This is the perfect and ideal present for when your friend, when a family member gets a new child, has a new child, not gets a new child. So there is huge demand for it. And look, very positive ratings. Let's break it down. So you see, okay, in the past, 4 reviews, 1 2-star. Okay. But they have been only selling on Etsy for 3 years. And look here. So they do about 2,549 sales a month, right? Just from selling these products. So what is this telling you? Okay, this is telling you that these kind of bedside lights, personalized touches in the baby niche are a great way to go. Okay, and look, I'm not being funny, but these look really cool, right? This is probably something I would give to a family member when they have a new child, right? It comes with great photos, okay, and there is an absolute abundance of choice, right? And the whole personalized touch does really well on Etsy, obviously, right? So if I was to build a store selling this, I would be working out what's selling on this store. Okay, people do like these, right? These little measuring boards. Okay, look, all of these, right? Now let's look at it. They have this on. So measuring sticks, milk tooth boxes, breakfast boards. Okay, so what you can do here is you can now set up your own store like them and have more incentives. Okay, so you have a bit of a sale on, you undercut them, you sell different types of designs and products to them, but you can also overlap using different photos, try and take away from their traffic. You're not going to be able to outrank them or dominate them or anything like that, but you will be able to get a good piece of the pie, right? So let's just have a little look more into them. So see here, they've built up a bit of a following. They have some really nice content and they have their own website they've spun off, right? And it looks to me like they are primarily targeting Germans, okay, because they are from Hamburg. And as we know, if you're an Etsy seller, Germans love Etsy. A good portion of your store is going to of your customers are going to be from Germany. So what I would do if I was now getting into this kind of store, I would come up with very child-based branding, you know, a fun, playful name, and I would get everything designed and in place. And the main thing I would focus on in this store is the photos, okay? Because look how playful their photos are. Very clear, very concise, to the point. You want to click them. You kind of go, oh, measuring stick, personalized. Oh, wow, okay, that's actually really nice. Look, boom, boom, boom. And the thumbnail is what's going to get the click, right? You can just keyword stack a title like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but once it's in front of the right people, you need to get the click. If you don't get the click, you're never going to get the sale. And the click comes from the thumbnail, okay? So having a good thumbnail in place, can you get a video to back it up, right? Then this is what I love, is you can tell they're primarily only targeting Germans because of this, right? But having these problem-solving photos inside the listing really lowers the amount of customer service you have to do. And then look, right, all of these photos, but it's just the exact same photo, but obviously it's a different product. It's a different personalized touch. So that means you can really nail down your listing and give a lot of optimized information and put in a lot of photos. You know, so this is a very, very messy description. This isn't a description I would have. Okay, look, doesn't deliver to the United Kingdom. Does it deliver to, oh. Huh. See, okay. So it only delivers to these. Let's see. Right, okay, so they're only delivering to a few countries. So then it's like, okay, could I then be the one who ships to the other countries, right? Can I try and you're probably going to struggle to get this kicking off in Germany for a new store, but then you got to think, okay, what other countries can I try and dominate, right? Could I do well setting this up in Australia, right? In the US, in another European-based country, in just the UK. The UK could lap this up, right? So there's a lot of things you can play with and really scale up. So I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it helped. This is a great niche, a very fun niche, a very playful niche that has huge potential, as we can see, right? So let me know if this is a niche you're going to start. I would love to follow you on your journey. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe and all that jazz. And remember, we run an Etsy Discord. It's discord.gg/Etsy. So be sure to join there. I appreciate your time and have a blessed day.